Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to unblock someone on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. When you are into your account, tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner. Then, from the menu, go into Settings from the top right corner. Now, you need to head to the Account Center. Scroll down in the Account Center and find the blocking option. If you are not able to find this option, you can search it. Then, tap on the search icon and go into the blocking list. Now from the blocking list, you will be able to see all the people you blocked. To unblock the account or person, all you need to do is tap on the unblock button. Then, the person will not be on your block list. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.